Now, there's a blue boy. Is that purple puppy going to get you? Huh? Oh, now the girls are going to wrestle. Those are the two girls. She can't get up. Serves her right, huh? You're just going to go to bed, huh? Okay. You go to bed, sweetheart. Guess that blue plaid's clashing with all that blue spots, huh? What do you got? What are you two doing? The one on the right's a girl and the left's a boy. What are you guys up to? Look at ya. My goodness, in just a week, look how you've grown. What's this one over? What are you doing? Hmm? Hmm? What are my babies up to? Wrestling little pups. Who's coming to sit in my lap? Hmm? What are you doing, son? I love you.